In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Calendly from Gmail. If you've integrated Calendly with your Gmail for easier scheduling, but need to disconnect it for any reason, you're in the right place. Let's dive right in by starting with the Calendly website. First things first, open up your favorite web browser and head over to the official Calendly website. You can easily find it by typing Calendly into your search bar or by entering calendly.com directly into your address bar. Once the Calendly homepage loads, you'll see quite a straightforward interface. Your next step is to locate and click on the login button. This should be visibly located on the homepage, and clicking it will take you closer to managing your integration settings with Gmail. After clicking login, you'll be presented with a few options for signing into your Calendly account. Among these options, you're looking for continue with Google. This is because your Calendly account is integrated with your Google account, so it's best to log in using the same method to ensure a smooth process. Clicking on Continue with Google will redirect you to choose the Google account you've used for Calendly. If you're already logged into multiple Google accounts, make sure to select the one that's associated with your Calendly. This step is crucial because mixing up accounts might lead you into a maze of confusion. Once you've selected the right Google account, you will be prompted to continue. This step involves confirming your choice and possibly re-entering your Google account password if prompted for security reasons. It's always a good practice to ensure your session is secure, especially when managing account integrations and permissions. Now that you are successfully logged into Calendly, navigate your way to your account settings. Often this can be done by finding a small icon or your profile picture located somewhere on the dashboard, but in this case you're looking specifically to go to the event types page on Calendly. This area allows you to control different aspects of your scheduling parameters, but most importantly, is where you'll start the process to detach Calendly from Gmail. Within the event types page, look out for the integrations and apps option. This is where Calendly lists all the external tools and applications that you can connect to your account, including Gmail. By clicking on integrations and apps, you're one step closer to managing your Gmail integration. Now you're in the integrations menu, but you need to locate Gmail among all the integrations available. A quick way to do this is by typing Gmail in the search bar within the Integrations and Apps section. This will filter out the rest and show you the options related to Gmail. Upon finding Gmail, particularly the Gmail for Workflows option, it's time to manage this specific integration. Click on Gmail for Workflows to see the details of how Calendly interacts with your Gmail account. It's usually here you'll find what triggers and actions are set up to bridge the scheduling gap between Calendly and Gmail. The final step in this process is to click on Disconnect. This button will effectively sever the tie between Calendly and your Gmail, stopping the automatic schedule emails or any other integrated feature that was active. It's worth noting that any scheduled meetings or events won't be cancelled, but will simply stop being automatically added or managed in your Gmail account. And there you go. You've successfully removed Calendly from your Gmail. It's always good to review your settings in both Calendly and Gmail after such changes to ensure everything is configured as you'd like moving forward. Removing integrations can sometimes have broader implications than expected, especially if you are relying on automated features to manage your schedule. Remember to double check any upcoming events or meetings in both your Calendly and Gmail to ensure no communication or scheduling overlaps are missed due to this disconnection. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, consider liking and subscribing for more tech tips and tricks. Until the next video, take care and stay organized.